Hello everyone, this is Speed Chaser 392 with a video on how to install the rear diffuser on your Dodge Charger Hellcat, Scat Pack, Daytona, or GT. You will need a 7mm wrench, a cordless drill, and a plastic fastener remover. Using your plastic fastener remover, remove the fasteners on the underside of your car. There will be two. Now you can start removing the 4 bolts holding in your diffuser using your ratchet. Once you have all the bolts and fasteners removed, go ahead and tug on the diffuser to get all that road debris out. Now you can proceed to remove the diffuser. Pick a side, doesn't matter which side, and start to remove it. It's pretty easy. Now you want to take the old diffuser and line it up with the new diffuser. Take your cordless drill, with a drill bit of course, and proceed to line up the holes so you can drill holes into the new diffuser. Try to line it up as best as possible. Once you have all your holes drilled, you can proceed to mount your new diffuser. Again, start on one side and push each clip in one at a time. You can do it by hand or use a rubber mallet. I actually did both. I used a rubber mallet and by hand. Just be careful not to pound too hard with that mallet. Now you can take those screws and plastic clips and use those to mount your new diffuser. Put them back in the way you took them out.